So what we're doing up here on the top floor of the gallery is we're taking the works from our ceramic collection room, we're bringing them out and we're rehousing them so that they are safe to travel. There's lots of little processes involved. The works needed to be audited. So what that means is their height, depth, width, and the condition of those objects need to be recorded so that anyone can access that information. One of the other processes is we need to remediate those boxes, make sure the boxes themselves are of quality. There's special foam that's called ether foam, and there's another special material called Tyvek, which is archival. I've just fixed this box. It's already all taped up, ready to go, and I'm about to pop this object into that box. Some of these boxes have been in the collection for a very long time. One of my favourite boxes, in fact, I've discovered was from 1833. So it needed some special remediation. The reason it is so important that we do this remediation to these boxes is because they are going to be travelling on trucks away from the gallery. I love working on this project because I'm a sculptor and sculptors basically problem solve. So when I'm getting a box and I'm taking the object out, I have to look at how I can solve all the problems to house that box. So I'm in my element, I'm having the best fun, and this job is definitely built for me.